Velo United States dollar exchanges close $0.004 in an especially huge manner. Velo in a real sense has a medium-term obstruction at $0.005 in an unobtrusive manner. Velo's EMA10 essentially shows a sort of descending pattern, or so they for the most part thought. Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking. 22 June 2023. In this video we will especially walk you through Velo cost examination for now, or for especially 1 week from now, and really attempt to answer these oftentimes truly clarified some things, facts. What truly is transient cost expectation for Velo in a real sense? Is Velo an especially wise interest in a by and large significant manner? Velo support and opposition levels and so forth in a really significant manner. Be that as it may, prior to plunging sort of profound into the Velo specialized investigation, generally let us sort of discuss the essentially current economic situations, which fundamentally is very critical. Market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there explicitly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole cryptographic money market to $1,171,633,916,656 in a very enormous manner. The all-out exchanging volume for the most part remains at $45,387,585,410 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 49.85% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they in every practical sense thought, which basically brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $30,107.16 level, after a vertical development of 0.4% in an unobtrusive manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum certainly has seen a cost increment of 0.19%, coming to $1,887.55 during the past 24 hours in a kind of significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $243.45 following a value change of 2.13% within a similar time span in a fundamentally large manner. XRP, the local coin of XRP, essentially is up by 0.14 and as of now exchanging at 50 cents. Exhibiting how various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum sort of, has seen a cost increment of 0.19%, coming to $1,887.55 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which generally shows what in every practical sense brought about Bitcoin's value, ascending to $30,107.16 level, after a vertical development of 0.4%, which certainly is very critical. These occasions in a real sense show that the market certainly is going in a kind of descending heading for certainly present moment, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Right now, a truly broad for the most part bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unpretentious manner. Velo backing and obstruction backing and opposition generally are significant specialized pointers used to sort of distinguish commonly key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path in a fundamentally huge way. Support generally is a level at which purchasers really become considerably more in every practical sense dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which by and large is very huge. Similarly, opposition generally is a level at which vendors certainly become move in every practical sense dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. So Velo has a medium-term obstruction at $0.005, or so they explicitly thought. Following for the most part are the help and opposition levels of Velo execution, as per value examination market file. Velo is exchanging at $0.004 with an exchanging volume of $1,543,743, showing how Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, or so they by and large thought. However, Velo fundamentally has a value decline of 5.82%. In the genuinely last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% over the course of the week, with an especially all-out market capitalization of $5,186,353 United States dollars, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Velo value examination. Velo cost examination for 22 June 2023. inside a sort of day-to-day time span, commonly made sense of underneath in a really significant manner. We utilize commonly relative strength index RSI moving in every practical sense, normal assembly and disparity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including extremely basic moving genuinely normal, SMA, and dramatic moving truly normal, EMA to for the most part break down the future development of the Velo, which certainly is genuinely huge. The especially relative strength file, RSI, shows that the Velo coin generally is an oversold stage, as RSI for the most part is at 30. So similarly, opposition truly is a level at which merchants for the most part become move truly dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. So Velo basically has a medium-term obstruction at $0.005. By and large, in spite of prevalent thinking, the Velo United States dollar moving pretty normal combination and difference, MACD, marker, sort of is showing a truly present moment. By and large sell sort of sign, as the MACD line certainly is moving underneath truly signal line, which explicitly implies, for the most part bears especially are ruling on the lookout, exhibiting how which most certainly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $30,107.16 level, after a vertical development of 0.4%, which for the most part is very huge. While Velo's Williams %R pointer truly is at 95.932 for the 14-day time span, showing an oversold condition and truly momentary pattern, Barry inversion truly is conceivable, exhibiting that we utilize truly relative strength index RSI, moving kind of normal union and disparity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including really straightforward moving truly normal, SMA, and outstanding moving normal, EMA to examine the future development of the Velo, especially in spite of prevalent thinking generally. Bulls can move the market in vertical course, showing how yet prior to jumping commonly profound into the Velo specialized examination, for the most part allowed us in a real sense to discuss the especially current economic situations in a by and large significant manner. Velo especially is moving in commonly descending heading as fundamentally bears effectively by and large take the coin beneath prompt help level of $0.004, exhibiting how Velo's EMA10 basically shows an essentially descending pattern, which certainly is very huge. Presently Velo ought to really track down a help at $0.004. Or probably the merchants could then focus on the vital help level put at $0.005, exhibiting that we utilize extremely relative strength index RSI, moving kind of normal union and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including certainly basic